How to fix Powkiddy X55 not charging. Fix 1. Switch USB ports. Unplug the charger. Plug it into a different USB port. Check if the battery percentage starts to increase. Fix 2. Charge overnight with console on. Keep the Powkiddy X55 turned on. Plug in the charger. Leave it charging overnight. Check the charging indicator the next day. Fix 3. Fully drain the battery and use the original charger and cable. Use the device until the battery is completely empty and it turns off. Then charge it fully. Plug in the charger and cable that came with the device. Avoid using third-party chargers. Fix 4. Contact Powkiddy customer support. If these fixes do not resolve the issue, reach out to Powkiddy customer support for assistance. They might offer further troubleshooting steps or provide a replacement if the device is found to be faulty.